Kia ora. We will explore how Hāpara highlights supports social emotional strategies that enhance learners' development. This tool enables educators to guide learners' social emotional learning by establishing positive and rewarding relationships. Let's look at how Highlights provides a foundation for social emotional learning. We are going to look at a feature called guide browsing. With guide browsing, educators can guide learners' online learning experience and keep them on task. Guide browsing allows learners to set goals, act responsibly, and reflect on their digital learning. There are two types of guide browsing sessions: focus sessions and filter sessions. Focus sessions allow learners to access specific websites chosen by the teacher. Focus sessions allow educators to keep learners on task, which will lead to learners developing more vital executive functioning skills. Filter sessions prevent learners from accessing specific websites, as determined by the educator. Filter sessions guide learners who are working on something open-ended, where they need to exercise good digital citizenship, but aren't quite ready to make 100% of the choices about the content that they consume online. Filter sessions build learners' ability to self-regulate while working towards building student agency. Using the Hāpara Highlights grouping feature allows educators to differentiate online instruction. Educators can meet grouped learners' different instructional needs. Based on the learner's needs, educators can incorporate specific learning accommodations. For example, educators can create a group for learners who need extra time, additional support, or supplemental resources. The grouping feature promotes collaboration, leading to responsible decision-making and developing relationship skills. The Send Message feature allows educators to send positive reinforcement messages. Educators can provide redirection or simply interact and build a positive online community. Research says that social emotional learning impacts many outcomes, including academic performance, healthy relationships, mental wellness, and educational equity. The Hāpara instructional suite enables the gradual release of digital responsibility from the teacher to the learner, so that learners can become independent and responsible.